Dear students, once again I am here to teach you coordinate geometry, and this time our lecture is based on pair of straight lines. बेटा आज ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ pair of straight lines ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ. Myself is Dr. Amanpreet, PG Department of Mathematics, Khalsa College, Patiala. And usual disclaimer is there. The video is meant only for teaching purpose. So here, consider the equation Lx plus my plus n into L dash x plus m dash y plus n dash is equal to 0. This can be satisfied by the points whose coordinates satisfy 1 or 2. That means thus all the points which satisfy equation 1 lies on the equation 2, or the point satisfied the equation 2 also lies on the equation 1. So therefore represents a pair of lines. If we multiply the two factor in 1 together, then it takes the form, that is, if we multiply these two, that is L dash x square plus L m dash plus L dash m into xy plus m dash y square plus L n dash plus L dash n into x plus m n dash plus m dash n y plus n dash is equal to 0. This is a second degree equation in xy. Thus we note that a pair of lines is given by a second degree equation in xy. So when we multiply two linear equation, we get a second degree equation in xy, and which is pair. Note that the pair of lines is given by second degree equation in xy. Conversely, it's also true. If we are given a second degree equation, we can write a product of two pair lines. Just see. Conversely, one is interested to know if the most general second degree equation in x and y, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a pair of lines. It is not possible in general. However, it would only be possible when the left hand expression in equation 3 can be decomposed. Just very important word is there, decomposed into two real linear factor for which some relation among the coefficient a, b, c, f, g, h is required to be satisfied. So our main aim is to decompose this second degree equation into the linear factor, and we got a pair of straight lines. See this Lx plus my plus into L dash x plus m dash y is equal to 0. I multiply these two. This is the homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. The general expression of this form is homogeneous, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Student, the homogeneous means when all the term has same degree. Here ax square, it is of 2 degree, 2hx y is also of 2 degree, and by square is also of 2 degree. We shall now prove that this always represents a pair of lines. So second degree, the general second degree equation may or may not represent a pair of straight line, but the homogeneous second degree equation always represents a pair of lines. So through the origin, unlike the case from the most general second degree equation in x and y. So homogeneous equation of second degree. Article is to prove that the general homogeneous equation of second degree represents a pair of line passing through the origin. So our general degree equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, which is homogeneous equation. So I write the solution. The general homogeneous equation of second degree is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This can be written. This can be further decomposed into two linear factor by completing square or by discriminant. This is ax plus h into plus h in plus under root h square minus ab into y, ax plus h minus square root of h square minus ab into y is equal to 0. This is a very simple thing which we deal in plus 2 level also, in 10th level also. So what we got? We got two linear factor, that is ax plus h into plus h plus under root a square h square minus ab into y is equal to 0, and ax plus h minus h square minus ab into y is equal to 0. So this represents pair of straight line which passes through origin also. When we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, we got 0, 0. So this passes through origin also. Most of the time the problem regarding the pair of line through the origin require the technique of introducing separate equation for the lines. This we shall be tackling by considering that y is equal to mx and y is equal to m dash x are the lines represented by the given equation. So this is our main way how we solve the question. We take y is equal to mx, and second we take y is equal to m dash x, and we write this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to b into y minus mx, y minus mx and y minus m dash x. So just see, then what happens, m plus m, when we multiply these two factors, we got m plus m dash is equal to minus 2h by b, and m into m dash is equal to a by b. Just see here in the example, show that the equation this represents two perpendicular lines. Where do they intersect? The point of intersection we want to find. This is a second degree equation. This is x plus 2 square plus 3 into x plus 2 y minus 2 minus 2 into y minus 2 square is equal to 0. So student can either find value of y minus 2 or we can find value of x plus 2. So x plus 2, this is the quadratic equation in x plus 2, and we find this minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, and on simplifying this we got x plus 2 is equal to this, and multiply 4 to this side, 4x plus 8 minus 3 into y plus 2, once we take plus and second time we take minus. And when we simplify we got two equations. One equation is 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0, and second equation is x plus 2 y minus 2 is equal to 0, are the two straight lines represented by 1. Now m1 is equal to slope of this line, that is 2, m2 is slope of this line, that is minus 1 by 2, and m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So these two lines are perpendicular. Second part is whether they intersect. Yes, whether they intersect, we simplify these two equations. X by, this is minus plus 2 minus 12, y by, this is 6 plus 4, and 1 by 4 plus 1. So I got y x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 2. So point of intersection is minus 2 and 2. Now come to the another question. Find the equation of pair of lines through the origin which represents the lines perpendicular to the pair of the line this. Equation of the pair of lines through the origin which represents the line perpendicular to the pair of these lines. So let y is equal to mx, as I explained earlier, y is equal to mx and y is equal to m dash x be the line represented by this. Then m plus m dash is equal to minus 2. This is the sum of the roots, this is the product of the roots, and now the line through the origin and perpendicular to the given line is y is equal to minus 1 by x and y is equal to minus 1 by m dash x, and I multiply this side, so x plus y m and x plus y m dash is equal to 0, and when we multiply these two I got this. Substituting the value of m plus m dash, that is minus 2h by b, and m into m, that is a by b, on this we got an equation, and this equation is perpendicular to this equation. This is another article, angle between the lines, pair of lines in homogeneous form. To find the angle between the lines given by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So what we do, we find two lines. First of all, let the lines represented by the given equation of the pair of lines, that is y is equal to mx and y is equal to m dash x. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is identical equal to b into y minus mx, y minus m dash x, and m plus m dash is equal to minus 2h by b, m into m dash is equal to a by b. And when phi is the angle between these two, then tan phi is equal to m minus m dash. This is a known result from trigonometry, that tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. Here m and m dash we take, and this m minus m dash is equal to m plus m dash square minus 4m m dash over 1 plus m, and I put the value of m plus m dash, which is equal to minus 2h by b, and m into m dash, which is a by b. On simplify, I got this. Remarks: it is important in the formula for the angle that h square minus ab must be greater than equal to 0, for otherwise the expression for tan phi would have no meaning. If h square minus ab is equal to 0, that means phi is 0, and the two lines given by this would coincide. If the two lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are perpendicular, if and only if the trace is equal to 0, that is a plus b is equal to 0, the sum of coefficients of x square plus y square is 0. Bisector of the angle between the lines. This is the main article which we want to prove. To find the equation of the pair of line bisecting the angle between the lines, this. So I want to find the angle bisector. So first let y is equal to mx and y is equal to m dash x be the two lines represented by this. So I have m plus m dash is equal to minus 2h by b, and m into m dash is equal to a by b. So m is equal to tan theta, m dash is equal to tan phi, and let y is equal to x tan phi be the equation of a bisector. Be very careful, note this line very carefully. Then 2 phi is equal to theta plus theta dash or theta plus theta dash plus phi. Just see the figure. This is 2 phi is equal to theta plus theta dash or by theta plus theta dash plus pi. So taking tan both sides, tan 2 phi is equal to tan theta plus theta dash, and I apply trigonometry. So 2 tan phi over 1 minus tan square phi is equal to tan theta plus tan theta dash over 1 minus tan theta tan phi. And when I put the value of tan phi is nothing else. Tan phi is nothing else, that is y by x, and this is 2 by y by x over 1 minus y square by x square is equal to, this is tan theta, that is m plus m dash over 1 minus m dash. So 2h over a minus b, and we got hence the equation of the bisector is equal to x square minus y square over a minus b is equal to x y over h. So student, be very careful, note this very careful. This is the x square minus y square over a minus b. I think it's cutting here is equal to xy over h dash. So I rewrite again. Show that the two lines represented by this makes an angle alpha and beta with x-axis such that tan phi is equal to 0. Let y is equal. Same procedure in every question. Let y is equal to mx and y is equal to m dash x be the lines given by this. This is the sum of, and then we have product of, and then tan alpha minus tan beta, that is m minus m dash. M minus m dash means m plus m dash square minus 4m m dash. And what we want to find? We want to find tan alpha minus tan beta is equal to 2. I simplify it. This means 2 by sine theta cos theta square minus 4m means secant square plus cot square. And then when we simplify, shift to upside, and we got 2. Another question I left for you, and this is the solution of the next question. Because of the time constraint, I leave this here. and this is our exercise. So students are advised to solve this exercise. If any problem is there, then we can solve. Thank you.